So in the previous video, in this series, you saw how to take care of the guest. Make sure they have a great time in your bar so that they will come back. Now, it is time to make sure that the next two steps are done properly so that they have a fond memory of your bar. It is the sixth step in the Steps to Great Beverage Service video series. If you have not seen the other videos yet, I will leave the link to all the videos in the description box below. Also, if you visit academy.clarifiedbetter.com, you can enroll in this course, complete it, and get a certificate you can share with your manager. So do visit academy.clarifiedbetter.com. We have more than 60 courses, quick tutorials, quizzes and more on the site to help you grow in your career. In this video we will see how to close open checks. Step 1 is to make sure that your guest had a good experience at the bar. If you followed all the sequence of service, I am certain they would have had a great time. If you had collected cash for the drinks, you could give the guest the receipts, and any change in a check presenter. If there was an open tab, verify the tab is correct, and then charge the card. Use the guest name. You already know that from the credit card. That will ensure that you personalize the experience. Most of the time, in my experience, guests are in a hurry to leave and expect to close the transaction as quickly as possible. If this process takes time, it also leaves the guest with a bad memory of the experience even though other parts were handled well. So make sure you are quick and accurate when it comes to billing. That is it for this video. Do check out the last video in the series. The link to the video series is in the description box below. And if you liked this video, make sure you subscribe to the channel and give this video a thumbs up.